Pottery traditions in ancient India. OCP, Black and Red Ware, PGW and NBPW. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Introduction. Pottery is one of the most important archaeological sources for understanding culture, technology, trade, settlement patterns, social development. Major pottery traditions: ochre-colored pottery, OCP; black and red ware, BRW; painted grey ware, PGW; northern black polished ware, NBPW; ochre-colored pottery, OCP. Period. c. 2000 to 1500 BCE. Distribution: Western Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana. Characteristics: ochre, reddish-orange, coating. Handmade and wheel-made pottery. Fragile surface. Associated culture: Late Harappan culture, Copper Hoard culture. Important sites: Archaeological, Jodhpur. Exam point: OCP is often associated with Copper Hoard culture. Copper Hoard and OCP connection. Copper Hoard objects: antennae, swords, harpoons, axes, salts. Importance: shows transition from late Harappan phase to early Iron Age cultures. Black and red ware, BRW. Period. c. 3000 BCE onwards. Mostly Chalcolithic and early Iron Age. Distribution: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, South India. Characteristics: black interior, red exterior. Produced by inverted firing technique. Associated cultures: Chalcolithic cultures, megalithic cultures. Important sites: Ahar, Navdatoli. Exam point: most widespread pottery tradition in India. Painted grey ware, PGW. Period. c. 1200 to 600 BCE. Distribution: Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Characteristics: fine grey pottery. Painted with black geometric designs. Associated culture: early Iron Age. Later Vedic culture. Important sites: Hastinapur, Ahichchhatra, Archaeological. Exam point: PGW is linked with the Mahabharata region and later Vedic culture. PGW and Mahabharata. Significance. Many PGW sites are associated with Kuru-Panchala region. Later Vedic settlements. Examples: Hastinapur, Kuru-Kshetra region. Northern Black Polished Ware, NBPW. Period. c. 700 to 200 BCE. Characteristics: highly polished surface, metallic shine, finest pottery of ancient India. Distribution: Gangetic Valley, Northern India. Associated period: Mahajanapada age. Mauryan period. Important sites: Kaushambi, Rajgir, Pataliputra. Exam point: NBPW is known as the luxury pottery of early historic India. Comparison table. Pottery period associated culture key feature. OCP 2000 to 1500 BCE copper hoard culture ochre coating. BRW Chalcolithic, Iron Age Chalcolithic and Megalithic black inside, red outside. PGW 1200 to 600 BCE later Vedic culture grey pottery with black designs. NBPW 700 to 200 BCE Mahajanapada and Mauryan highly polished surface. UGC NET one-liners. OCP copper hoard culture. BRW most widespread pottery tradition. PGW later Vedic culture. PGW Kuru-Panchala region. NBPW Mauryan period. NBPW luxury pottery. Hastinapur PGW site. Pataliputra NBPW site. Frequently asked MCQs. Match the following. Pottery culture. OCP copper hoard. BRW Chalcolithic. PGW later Vedic. NBPW Mahajanapada Mauryan. Conclusion. Pottery traditions help archaeologists understand technological advancement, trade networks, cultural transitions, emergence of urbanization. Most important exam sequence. OCP rightward arrow BRW rightward arrow PGW rightward arrow NBPW. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.